Hello, 7.8 billion people of this beautiful planet Earth. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to Shivam Singh and YouTube channel. So today we will going to learn how you can create your first ever website for free with the help of some website. This free website is not meant for a long run journey. It is only for experimentation, or if you are new to web development, or uh, what we can say, the website development thing, and you are just, or you may be curious, just wanted to get your first website on the online and to show off on your friends or something like that. So this is suitable for that purpose. It is not suitable for if you are looking to promote your business, promote yourself, like your your services and etc. So this is meant only for the experimentation and the initial learning of how the system works in making the websites and the online presence. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So step number one, you have to visit 000webhost, and webhost you have to search it on Google. I know the URL, but I will just search on Google. So this is what I'm getting here in India. That is in, which means India.00webhost.com. So you may be getting some, I don't know. So if you are from US, most probably this company is a United States company. So you will be not getting in the front of this domain. Or if you are from other country, you may get your uh, country initial letter, the start of the store. So you have to visit there, and you can see here free web hosting, zero cost website hosting with PHP, MySQL, cPanel, and no ads. Yeah, that's what we are looking for. You have to click on get started, and you have to select the free web hosting plan. Okay, so it's enough or sufficient, we can say, in order to experiment and in order to see how the system works. So there is no need of like comparing each and everything. So you can see that they don't have no email account, 24 no free domain. Okay, so that's not a problem, we are just testing it up. So let's free sign up. Okay, so here you have to enter your email ID. So I will just enter email ID. Kindly don't send me mail on this email ID. I am not seeing the mail on this email ID. It's a ghost email ID. So I will just take suggest strong password, and Chrome suggested me a password. So I will just enter the password. You have to repeat the password again, and I know what my website is, I know what's my email ID, I know what my password is. I will just sign up and wait for a few seconds, and here we go. Okay, so my email ID is topviraltrends.com@gmail.com, and you will receive a email on your email ID, email address. You have to verify the email. Once you verify your email, it is verifying my email. And once the email is verified, click on get started button. So you can see that what would you like to do: build an online, create web design, start a blog, learn web development, build an advanced. So I will just select the So I already have Chrome, so I will skip it. So what should be my website name? So I will just enter testing, and the uh, password will be same. So I will just submit. Another website with this name already exists, not a problem. So we will search for something random, maybe Shubham Raj and Co. Let's see if we can find Shubham Raj and Co. Shubham Raj. Sorry, we can type the whole name. Okay, Shubham Raj Singh and Co. There's a more probability that you will get a name Shubham Raj Singh and Co. So basically, it's a subdomain. So you will get a subdomain of 000webhost.com. So I already submitted and I'm waiting. Okay, so we have to post here. So you don't have to enter any special character. So I just remove the special character. So most probably we will be getting this subdomain. So let's see and submit it and wait for this again. Finger crossed. So here are the three options, like use our website builder, install WordPress, upload your site. So we will be going forward with install WordPress. I may make a video on both of these options later, but right now we will be going with install WordPress option, and we will be going to select this option. So here come the admin and admin password. So I will just randomize thing. I will just okay, so I will just enter a password here. I will just blur the password for each and everything. So make sure that you remember this password, because uh, it will be needed in future when you are like configuring your WordPress website on a dashboard. So make sure to remember this admin password. So without wasting any time, let's get started and install. So it may take some time, or some like 1 or 2 minutes. So it usually take up to 60 seconds for your website to be set up. Sit back and relax. So this is a very short video, so I am maybe not going very deep in designing each and everything. So I am just showing you how you can create your web presence instantly, like how you can create a website online. So a detailed video of how to create a website will be coming very soon on this channel only. So you have to wait for that. So you can see here that the current site is free version, build a website, tool, website setting, earn money. So Shubham Raj Singh co.00webhost.com is the current website is. I will show you a way in the next video to how you can use manual domain name and point it to this hosting. So don't worry, I will show you, and I will also show you how to get a custom domain for 1 year for free. Custom domain, like your own personalized. It is finalizing, and let's see. Okay, your software is now ready for configuration. Okay, sure. Go to configuration page. So this is your website at dashboard panel. So make sure to enter what you have set up before. So I will just enter my password, remember me, and log in. Okay, so you can see here that okay, okay, so you have a lot of thing here. So just don't be overwhelmed with this thing. Just keep calm. I will let you know each and everything. So just close each and everything. No, I don't want to connect. Okay, so we are right now into a WordPress dashboard or a website dashboard. So this is how it looked back as when you log in as an admin or maybe a member of our website. And this is how it looks outside, or you can say it, the front end of the website, which your customer or which your visitor will be seeing on the on the browser, or to be specific, or on the internet. So this is the few thing that this is all about WordPress. This is your how you can visit your website. This is the update thing that one plugin or maybe theme need an upgrade. This is the command. This is new that you can create post, media, page, user, WP forms. So WP forms don't come uh, pre-built, so maybe this 00 web host may have a tie-up or do have a contact with it, so don't worry about it. So it's inside, I don't know, this is also not what we can say, pre-built of the pre-built feature of WordPress. So here are the few, like we will go on updates tab, and you can see that there is no any update available, but as you can see that the monster inside is a pre-built, not a pre-built thing, but it comes with the 00 web host, so nothing to worry about. This is post. You can see all post. All post means your blogs, articles. You can create a new blog. There's a categories of your blog. This will be the tags for your blog. This is media, where you will upload your files like PDF, images, videos. All will be going to available here. You can add new from here. So this is pages, all the pages on your website. You can see all the pages by clicking all the pages. You can add new page by add new. So here you can see the comment section. You can see the comment on each and every article by clicking on this. WP form is not an inbuilt function of the WordPress, so I will not tell about it. Appearance, you can, it's a theme, so basically you can select multiple theme. You can select your own, or what we can say, your more favorable theme out of like 100 or 1000 of themes available for free as well as for paid as well. So you can customize the whole website with this thing. Widgets are the thing which you can add while customizing. Menus are actually the menu option. You can see here, add a menu. And where is header? Okay, so header is basically the header of a website. Background is also background of a website, like not like the background, the image background. Yeah, and the theme editor is about the code of the theme, like function.php and all thing. About Shapely, I don't know what Shapely. This is not a pre-built function. So this is the plugin. So this is the, what we can say, this is the life of WordPress. If you are trying to do something great, you have to install multiple plugins, and this is where you install the plugin. So you can see the install plugin here. You can add new plugin, and you can even edit the plugin as well. So you can see the user tab, all users, add new. So any user register on your website, you will be able to keep a track by clicking all users. So right now I am the only user which is admin, so you may be seeing only admin. So you can create, add new, and add few people's, more people which you wanted to add. You can see your profile in tools. You can see available tools. You can import, export, site help, export personal data, erase personal data, change URL. So this is all in one WP migration, which is not pre-built. So this helps you migrate your website, WordPress website, from one hosting to other hosting, or from your offline local host to the online host. So yeah, this is and this is the setting. The last general is the few general settings: writing, reading setting, discussion setting, media setting, permalink setting. This is one of the what we can say the important setting, the permalink setting, privacy setting, and inside is not a pre-built. And that's all about the what we can say the WordPress dashboard. So this is your website. So yeah, so now you do have a presence on online. So I hope that you like this video, and as I told before that this is not a very detailed how to make a website video. So I will make a video very soon about a very detailed uh, step by step thing, like how you can create a website. This is a free website, this is a free hosting website, so it is not, it is meant only for learning and to experiment. It don't serve a purpose of what we can say making a business online from offline, transforming a business from offline to online. It is just for testing and just for your what we can say to show off in front of your colleagues or maybe friend that you do have a website and you have created a website. That's it. So I hope you did like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Take care. Bye bye.